Alright, welcome back. As always, if you enjoyed this video, then please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my content. So today, I got something sort of special. So I'll be honest. So this is the big breakfast from McDonald's. I'll be honest, I have not had this since I was 4 years old. So it's been so long. So I wonder how it's changed. I got, let's see, one hash brown. In this bag I've got sausage, biscuit, pancake, and eggs. Hopefully I can eat this in time before I need to be in class. So. Oh, McDonald's hash browns are so amazing. Like, their hash browns honestly might be better than their fries. There you have hotcakes, or McDonald's calls their pancakes hotcakes for some reason. Well, I mean, it's the same thing. Oh man. No, the Dr. Pepper knocks my socks right off. Oh, yep, no, I see the sausage down there. It's underneath the eggs. I was like, well, what the fuck? It's supposed to have sausage on it. Okay, here's hoping I can get this thing open without spilling it everywhere. Look at this thing. You got biscuit, sausage, pancakes, and the sausage, or eggs, pancakes. The sausage is underneath the eggs. These eggs are funny looking. They're like freaking like a sheet of eggs. I guess I'll try the biscuit first. I mean, it's just a regular McDonald's biscuit. I've had these 1,000 times before. Ooh, the pancakes smell sweet, even though I haven't put the syrup on them yet. That's exciting. So today is Wednesday. As you remember from the last vlog video that went up, I talked about on Monday, which is when I made that. On Monday when I made that, I was just waiting around because I was about to go into the directing class to present the play that I'm writing, as you all know. And so today is Wednesday. Today's the second day of that workshop, so it's the last day of the workshop where all the directing students are gonna present to me how they have decided to stage the play, or the part of the play that they are working on. And so I'm really excited to see. Okay. not gonna finish the biscuit. It's too dense. I have so much more food to get through. Let's try these eggs. Not a ton of flavor on the eggs, but that's expected. Based on their uniform shape, I'd guess that they're fake eggs, but I'm not actually sure. Because the egg that I'm eating right here is different than the egg that comes on like on the McBiscuit and the McGriddle. In the same way that these pancakes are different than the McGriddle pancakes. Like they're more classic and regular and refined. All right, I'm gonna try the eggs and the sausage in one bite. That's all right. It's good. Just a good. It's a good classic sausage egg taste. No cheese though. I wish they would have put cheese. Cheese makes everything better. Okay, made it to the pancakes now. So let's lay these pancakes out along the thing in a nice, sort of fancy way. Okay, so before I pour the syrup on these, let's see. I remember being in a directing class on Monday, and it was so exciting, and it made me so happy to finally hear the words of the characters be spoken by another person that wasn't me. And I was so happy to hear other people, to hear the students in the class be reading the script out loud to me, that I straight up started crying while I was in class, but I don't think anybody noticed really, so. But it was awesome, to say the least. Here comes the syrup pour for all you people who love that shit. I really hope this thing doesn't end up tipping over onto me at any point. Please, God, don't let that happen. Let's try these pancakes. Honestly, I won't be able to eat all of these just because I don't have that kind of appetite right now and I don't want to be late for class. Tastes like regular pancakes. They're a little sweeter because there's just something naturally sweet about these pancakes. There's a lot more syrup in that container than I thought there was. Because now it's all over the place. Ooh, man. Now, it's times like these where I wonder why breakfast food is breakfast food. Like, what about eggs and sausage and pancakes is so great that we only exclusively eat them for breakfast? And like, how did they all become the essential breakfast foods? Like, is there something about their nutrients that makes them better to be eaten in the morning? I don't know. Maybe one of you knows. Hopefully I don't get any syrup in my goatee. So, oh, man. Let's see if I can get this back on here. Yep, that was pretty easy. All right, so if you all enjoyed this video, then please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my content. whenever you do those kinds of things for me. It helps keep me motivated to make more content for you all in the future. Once again, thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.